Hey guys, Deanna here with my beautiful model Elizabeth. Today we created this electric green eye using the newly launched Color Festival palette, so if you want to know how to get it, please keep watching. Taking my number 7 Marble Luxe brush and the Color Experience, I'm going to go in her crease and start building the shape. Taking Marble Luxe brush number 9, I'm going to go in with the color DJ and place this on her outer corners. Going in with my number 7 flat brush from the Rose Gold collection, I'm going to grab the color Electronic and place this on her lids. Going back in with the number 9 blending brush, I'm going to take DJ again and blend the two colors together. Going back in with my number 7 flat brush, I'm going to take Electronic and place this underneath her lash line. Taking my number 10 flat brush, also from the Marble Luxe collection, I'm going to go back in with DJ and place the color underneath her lash line towards the outer corners. Taking my pencil brush from the Color Festival brush collection, I'm going to go in with Disco and place this in her inner corners to add a pop. So here we have the final electric green makeup look using the newly launched Color Festival palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to hashtag BH Cosmetics so we can see your creations.